This is a unique opportunity for investors, contractors, or for the individual that wants to rebuild this home the way they want. Discover an exceptional investment opportunity with this prime 0.41-acre lot. This parcel boasts valuable road frontage on both Truslow Road and US Route 1, ensuring high visibility and accessibility. This listing is sold as is condition. Seller makes no representation of condition/warranty of the construction. Only cash offers, hard money is acceptable. Seller will not make any repairs. Since seller is not aware of the structural integrity of the home, interior access to the property is strictly prohibited. All showings will be exterior only. Whether you envision rebuilding as a residential property or holding on to the land for future appreciation or future rezoning, this lot offers a multitude of possibilities. 5-minute drive to University of Mary Washington, 6-minute drive to Mary Washington.